Okay, next one. Now we're doing the bath salts. So we have Breathe Easy and Stress Be Gone. Okay, so containers obviously do a lot of different things. There's so many different kind of cute containers. This one is going to be holding, this is an 8-ounce product. So I found this nice jar that has, you know, I think it looks nice and it's easy to access and that kind of stuff. I'm really not a fan of the double lids. That kind of stuff drives me bananas. So if it drives you bananas, you could either glue these in here, or sometimes people put like they'll put this on here and then get a cute piece of material and then, you know, put this on here, you know, make a cute little thing. So that's why you have 2 lids. Let's see. Obviously that's a paper towel. I personally like to buy, which are not expensive, whether it's a small mouth or a big mouth. You can buy these at Meijer's, Walmart, Amazon, and it's the plastic lids that go on top of this. And so whatever kind of look you're going for the make and take, this is also, I think this was a 10-ounce, but it's fine to have a little bit open here. This was a cute container that you can decorate real nice. So either one you want to do, right? But, okay, so this is the key. So the directions say 1/4 cup of baking soda and essential oil. So this is the reason for this. When you're, I don't have a 1/4 of a cup right here, but I can guesstimate, okay? So let's say this is the 1/4 cup of the baking soda, but we're really using a 1/2 cup. So if I was just gonna do that over. So you just have your 1/2 cup here, and you're gonna fill 1/2 of it with it, or 1/4 of it, or whatever. The purpose of this is just like the other video, and if you put this whole thing in here, let me just show you real quick. Lemongrass is you should be able to tell the color of that oil, right? So if you put this drop in here, it's gonna be one big lump. And so if you only use this much of your mixture, you're not gonna even get any lemongrass in there, right? So this is why we only use a little bit of the mixture to begin with to help, spread out the mixture. So here's the lemongrass. Here's the rosemary, peppermint. Okay. And so what happens, you only have a small amount of baking soda. And so now you're just gonna use the back of the spoon to rub this stuff out and disperse it amongst the whole bowl, the rest of the baking soda. And then when you think you're done, then you want to sort of shake your container like you're gold panning for something, right? And see if you see any more big lumps of essential oil. If you do, then work on getting that spread out. And then it should be good to go. So now you can mix the rest of your baking soda and make sure that that's mixed in good. What's the word I'm using for?
Distributed.
Distributed. Oh my gosh, I can't think of it. And then the next part of it is going to be a 1/2 cup of Epsom salt. Now I got these containers, they're a little bit taller than like a shoebox, but if you're doing a lot of make and takes and stuff, it's sort of easy, and then maybe it doesn't look as cute, but I'm not into everything being cute. If you can't have it, I want convenience for life, right? So it has a nice lid that goes on here that seals it, so it's airtight for the next time. It's easy to transport, all that kind of stuff. Of course, you can do whatever you want to do. Here's the 1/2 cup of this. Now, obviously, I'm not into using dyes. If you put a dye in here, then of course, it can dye your bathtub, it can dye you. There are natural dyes, but even like natural beet powder in here is gonna like mess up your bathtub. And then after your relaxing bath, now you're gonna not be relaxed trying to clean it, right? You can also put rose petals and all those kinds of things in here too. You need to make sure you have a strainer for your drain. Since this is a rosemary one, if you had some whole rosemary stems that were dried, that would look very nice to put in here as well. Or like, you know, you could put this much in here. Once again, you can use this as the funnel, which is why, once again, I love using paper, because you just get to use it as a funnel like this. I mean, how nice is that, right? So let's pretend like you only wanted to put 1/2 that amount in here. And then you could put like a layer of rosemary to make it look cute or something. Otherwise, just decorate it with, you know, your decorations. And you can put this lid on here and make it look cute, or the other one, or do whatever you want to do. And so this would be your special bath salt. Put a cute label on it, or some ribbons, whatever. So that's how we make this one. I think that's it. That's it. Okay, thank you.